No ke aha e komo aku e ka papahana o keia hui kula kamali'i I loko o na hale pa'ahao. O iei, ma laila no ka ʻohana, nana no keia mau keiki e hana ia mālama.
Just to see her call me mommy and run to me and tell me she loves me and stuff, it's priceless.
I loko no ko Christina noho pa'ahao ana ma ka hale pa'ahao no na wahine ma kailua, mau kona pili a kule ana ma kua hine no Hailey, a pono ke kokua ma ka mālama I keia ʻohana.
And that's what we push, you know, it's not only helping the child, it's helping the parents, it's helping the family as a whole, and eventually it'll help the community.
Eia mai o Jackie, I ke lea I ke kupono o keia papahana na Keiki o ka Aina ma muli o kona noho pa'ahao mua ana a komo aku I keia papahana.
So while I was incarcerated, I got hooked up through a program, through Keiki o ka Aina, that allowed me to visit with my son. You know, I think my son was the biggest motivation for me to stay out and do good and want to do good for myself and for him, yeah.
They are strongly bonded to their children. They're not going to want to go through that revolving door and come back in here.
I think we have to really look at providing environments within the facility to foster this bonding process.
A ke komo alu like nei no ke kahi mau hui me ko Keiki o ka Aina ma keia ho'okumu papahana ana.
Hopefully this will create more of a bonding between parents and children.
A he kokua nui no keia mau ʻohana a Keiki a nui ko lako mahalo I keia papahana.
This project that the warden has going is awesome. It brings confirmation on helping me do what I need to do to get out. I love you.
O wau no keia o Amy Kalili no Sunrise ma Hawai'i News Now. Aloha.